Dakar is painted in green, yellow, and red. Welcome to RAS News Sports. From every street to every square, the people have come out in one voice. Senegal are champions of Africa once again. After 90 minutes of battle, after nerves, after penalties, Senegal stood tall. And now the victory march begins. Players riding through the capital, trophy held high. As millions celebrate a nation united by football. This is not just a win. This is history. This is pride. This is Senegal.
It's roots and culture. It's roots and culture. Yeah. Now hear me now. Now hear me now. Now hear me now. Me say me ready now. Me ready now. Me ready now, and we are steady now. Steady now. Steady now. We live a peaceful life. Quiet mind, and I know evil vibes. Now is the time. Whoa. It's roots and culture.